Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. In today's video, I'm still on Boomcrash Indices. Boomcrash Indices. This robot automatically provides you buy entry and sell entry rating on the chart. All you need is your laptop to start using this robot. You need a laptop and you have to pay the price to get the robot, okay? Once you pay the price to get the robot, you will be given the instructional video on how to install the robot and how to use the robot. We are over $187 in profit. You see the red line shows the sell signal, the red arrow shows the sell signal. Most of these signals, it's not most, all the signals are generated in the higher time frame, and then you will be taught how to use stacking method to trade the signals at lower time frame, whereby you'll be stacking. The more you see the lower time frame entries, you will put more trade and you'll be stacking. You can possibly take $10 to $1,000 plus. You have to change your life. You have to get these robots, okay? The robot comes with a code. It's a file that you'll be taught how to install it on the 𝒓𝒂𝒂𝒅. You see, the team that actually engaged in producing this robot, my team that are engaged to produce the robots, they painstakingly produced this robot. They passed through a lot, and it was very stressful. Take a couple of weeks, even months, to come up with this robot, because they have to go through a lot of testing, a lot of recoding and debugging and testing, and they keep seeing failures until they finally succeeded. But the question is, why am I going to release this robot to the public? Why should I release this robot to the public? Why I want to do that is it's part of my social obligation. It's part of adding value to this subscribers, because you can't have access to this robot if you are not my subscriber. You will basically be my subscriber to be able to watch this video and then have the interest to get the robot. So I can't eat the money alone. I can't make this money alone. I need to help using traders. And basically, I know many of you have been using money on Boomcrash. Imagine selling at that spot. You will lose. You can't sell there and succeed. You will lose. The market is still buying. And you see how it shows the signal. Okay. It shows the signal. You see the signal. The sell entry, that is where you're supposed to sell, not elsewhere. Okay, you see another sell entry. What you need is to invest in yourself by